Nice little hike, and go to this little hidden beach. What's it called? All right, we'll tell you later. There is absolutely no sidewalk here, so we're gonna chance it. Little sketch going through this little side street here. See if this pans out. We went to this really cool place, I don't know what it's like, a grotto, but I guess it's a grotto. Yeah. But anyways, had to go through the arches to go through it, but we hiked up to it about 30 minutes from where we're staying in Sorrento, and then we went down into it, and then we got to swim down there in the grotto. It was called
Bagni Regina Giovanna.
There you go. So look it up, check it out. So we tried to find the Leonardo da Vinci exhibit, but can't seem to find the entrance. Possibly it's an old poster.
2018.
Possibly.
That's 3 years ago.
Alright. Tonight we opted to go out to dinner on a very nice night to Simola Pasta Bar, so Casey can get her gnocchi. I guess
On a Thursday.
on a Thursday night you're supposed to eat gnocchi, so I don't, it's okay, but I don't really want it, so I'm gonna get spaghetti alla carbonara. Here is the gnocchi.
And the carbonara.
And the carbonara. And another gnocchi, yes. Is it good? Yeah.
Is it better than
Oh,
when
don't
I
say
got
that.
it? Yes.
So I think we're gonna close this video out. So we went a little shopping, got some magnets, got some bracelets for some people. Yeah. Oh, we didn't get the magnets. That's right. But we did get beer. Got some more limoncello. And make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment if we should have done something different today. And see you tomorrow. So I'm going to tell you a little something about Italy's train system. They might say at a certain time, but every single train that we've been on from Napoli all the way down to Sorrento, from Sorrento to Mount Vesuvius, whatever, like, it's always late, no matter what. So try to get on the earlier train. If you are trying to buy tickets for something and you have to be there at a certain time, make sure you just buy the tickets, because it's ultimately going to be late no matter what. We didn't get to go to Vesuvius today. Vesuvius is completely covered in a cloud, which basically means thunderstorms. So that's not going to work out too good today. Trying my first cannoli in Italy. Little itty bitty one. See if I like it.
No.
Guess we'll head to dinner instead. Get up early. Or snorkeling.